I'm coming. Where are you? What was that?
Why aren't they attacking us? I don't know. Well, I'm going to scout. Oh, why do you get to scout? Because you got to sit closest to the tap last night. Even though I see closed tap first on the way back from jiu-jitsu. Oh, all right. Let's go in.
One's coming. What do we do? I know. When he comes, ask him a question and then he'll run away. Okay.
Wait, what question?
Any question. It doesn't matter. Ask him if he's gluten-free.
All right, then. Wait, why will he run away if I ask him if he's gluten-free?
Because you're a space invader.
Oh, okay. Wait, what's a space invader?
It's someone who stands too close, like what you're doing right now.
Oh.
Most people stay about this far apart, but you don't. You get right up close.
Because I'm a space invader?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that why people keep on running away from me?
Yeah, probably. Try it.
Flea! Are you gluten-free?
Ah!
Winton, that's so close. Just tell me, are you gluten-free?
Ah! Aha! You're right, Bluey. Come on.
Where are you? Hey!
Ah!
Archers, ready! Pling, 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 pling.
How are we going to get past the arrows?
Use a shield.
But I don't have a shield.
Use this one.
Oh, thanks. Hang on.
Ah! Pling, ba-doing. Huh? Pling, ba-doing. Hey, I'm shooting bows and arrows at you.
Yeah, and I'm badoinging them with my shield.
Oh no! Pling, pling, pling. Ba-doing, ba-doing, ba-doing.